Hello everyone, I'm doing this tarot reading for Harshit Chopra and Pranali Rathore. Their fans have asked so many questions. Let's get clarity through tarot cards. Cards, please help. Harshit Chopra, Pranali Rathore. हर्षद चोपड़ा एंड प्रणाली राठौर क्या फिर से किसी प्रोजेक्ट में एक साथ आ सकते हैं? सो कार्ड यहाँ पर फास्ट मूविंग कम्युनिकेशन को शो कर रहे हैं. सो एक डिफिकल्ट पीरियड के बाद yes, there is potential for a new project together. So here a star card is showing after death card. The opportunity may come suddenly after the decisive change. हर्षद एंड प्रणाली की करंट फीलिंग्स क्या हैं एक दूसरे के लिए? सो कार्ड जेन्युइन इंटरेस्ट तो शो कर रहे हैं, बट they choose not to act on the feelings, because here card don't show an openly emotional or passionate confession. तो किसी तरह का कन्फेशन तो इनमें नहीं हुआ है. सो क्या एक दूसरे के लिए फीलिंग्स रही हैं या हैं, तो इसके लिए तो कार्ड लीन यस, बट किसी तरह का कोई कन्फेशन कार्ड नहीं शो कर रहे. दे चूज टू कंट्रोल देयर फीलिंग्स. So they deliberately avoid some kind of complications. क्योंकि यहाँ पे कार्ड लाइक इंटरेस्ट शो कर रहे हैं, बट किंग ऑफ पेंटिकल्स है, तो वन ऑफ देम इज ऑलरेडी कमिटेड. इनमें से एक जो है वो कमिटेड कार्ड शो कर रहे हैं. So here interpretation, see, one of them is in connection, in relationship. It's complicated. इनमें से एक है जिनके मन में लाइक स्टेडी लाइकिंग है, but another person is already committed. I need one more card, please. So yes, इनमें से एक की लॉयल्टी है किसी और पर्सन को लेकर, इसीलिए ये अपने फीलिंग्स पर फ्रीली एक्ट नहीं कर पा रहे. So the connection feels more like there could be something here, but it's complicated. How are their energies for a reunion? Pranali Rathore, Harshit Chopra. सो कार्ड एनर्जी इनके डायरेक्ट कम्युनिकेशन और यूनियन की पॉसिबिलिटी शो कर रहे हैं, बट वन ऑफ देम यहाँ पे कार्ड शो करें, वन ऑफ देम इज मेंटेनिंग डिस्टेंस एंड थिंकिंग लॉजिकली। सो इनके रीयूनियन की एनर्जी कंडीशनल शो हो रही है rather than guaranteed. Cards, please give clarity. There is a question. Will he be ever find the right partner and love for him and get married happily? Harshad Chopra. Okay. So yes, after leaving behind an emotionally difficult period, here card is showing he has the potential to meet someone with whom he feels genuinely emotional security and affection. So Harshad Chopra, he already moved on from past hurtful relationship. He let go of what no longer serve him. And here card is showing soon he will meet special one for a loving family oriented relationship. Cards, could you please give clarity on marriage timing and the kind of person he may end up with? So his relationship will not be based only on attraction. So card more point toward like care, support, and being there for each other. So for marriage, Harshad Chopra is seeking for a partner, uh, like a relationship with mutual giving and receiving. Harshad Chopra, um, will he be get good work opportunities after lockup? Is there any work opportunities for Harshad Chopra after lockup? Wow. So card energy is showing new opportunity that bring financial improvement and growth in his career. In his career, here card is showing um, woman, female colleague, female manager, like woman sport significantly. Is there any possibility of him and Shivangi Joshi doing project together ever again? Okay. What is his actual feeling for Shivangi Joshi? Harshad Chopra's feelings for So card is showing good possibility of their collaboration, and here about their actual feelings for each other, like card doesn't show any kind of a deeply established love. It's like impulsiveness or acting on attraction. Oh, one more question is there. क्या हर्षद चोपड़ा और प्रणाली राठौर की मैरिज होगी? प्लीज ये क्वेश्चन भी ऐड करें. I need one more clarity. See, there may be attraction or intense attraction, we can say, but for Mary's card is showing uncertainty.